Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use an AND statement in Airtable. So let's create a formula column. We'll say the name is must do today, and what we want to do is create a formula that will select all the tasks that are due today but are not yet done. So select formula type. In our formula column, we'll say AND, our parentheses, and now we're going to have two conditions. Since we want to select tasks that are due today and that are not yet done, the first thing we'll do is we'll select the due date. So squiggly brackets, due date equals, and then there's a function in Airtable called today, which returns the current date. So that first condition says the due date is today. And now our second condition is that the done column should be checked. And to check if a check mark is checked in Airtable, you say equals 1. So let's go ahead and create this field. And there we go. Task number 1 is due today and is done. Actually, I just realized that's a mistake. So that's not what we want. We want done equals 0 because we want things that are still left to do. There we go. And now it's reversed. So task number 1 is due today and it's done, so it gets a 0. Task number 2 is due tomorrow, is not done, so it also gets a 0. Task 3 is due today and it's not done, so it gets a 1. Task number 4 has empty slots, so it gets a 0, just as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.